Namaste student. Here we have a graph problem related to linear equation in two variable. We're going to do here 7 graph problem. So first one, if C and F denote the temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit scale and C equals to 5 by 9 in bracket F minus 32. Draw the graph of this equation taking C on x-axis and F on y-axis. That means you need to think C as x and F as y. And we need to find the solution. Here we're going to find the solution in integral form. That means you need to take F such a way that you will get integer. Why? Because to draw the graph, your integer solution will be the perfect. That means it will give you the answer in the easiest way. That means we'll get the graph in the easiest form. So here first we need to solve. So solve portion already we have done in a video, last video. So here I'll show the presentation. So here we have the solution. You can see how to represent here. So we'll take here F as 32. That means 32 minus 32 will give you 0 and 0 into 5 by 9 will give you 0. So you can see the solution 0 and 32 both are what? Integer. So we'll take this type of solution. And for 41, when F, that is Fahrenheit, equals to 41 Fahrenheit, then we'll get Celsius 5 degree Celsius. So here we are getting 541. So we need to find, next question what they are asking, from the graph find the value of C when F equals to 50, and from the graph find the value of F when C equals to not 35 to 3 degree. Okay, so here we're going to find the solution. So let's see. So here we have graph. So now what we're going to do in the graph, you need to look at the solution and what they are demanding. According to that, we'll draw the graph. That means we'll take the scale. Scale is compulsory. That means this is your 1 centimeter gap. So each 1 centimeter on x-axis, how many we are taking? 1 degree Celsius we are taking. So we'll write here, see this side and this side your F. And y-axis we are taking 1 centimeter as 10 degree Fahrenheit. So we'll mention this scale. Remember, it's a compulsory. Okay. Now we're going to plot the graph on this one. So we have two solutions. One is 0, 32. So 0, when you have C 0, that means x per 0, we'll get 32. So we have taken here 10 10 gap. So 32 will be here. 1, 31 and 32. So this is your 0, 32. So we'll write here 0, 32. Okay. Next, please use pencil to draw the graph. I'm using here pen. You should use pencil. Okay, next 5, 41. So 5, x is 5 and y is 41. So this is your 5 and 41. So this is your 40, 41. So this is your point, that is 5, 41. So we know that with 2 points we can draw a straight line. So here we'll take this one. So take the point and join them and make a straight line. Okay, it take quite bigger in length. So here we are getting, so extend it, how much you can extend. Okay, this is your line. So you can write this line as what? C equals to 5 by 9 F minus 32. That way also you can write, represent. Okay, like this. Now what we need to find, they are asking here from the graph. From the graph, when F is 50 degree, find C. When F is 50 degree, where is the 50 degree? Your F is 50 degree. So you go this one. This is your F, 50 degree. So what we're going to do, we'll extend here. We'll take this one and we'll join it here. And we'll check that what answer we're going to get. So you can see here it touch here, this part. Now find it here. How many we are getting here? So it is very close. Actually here it is touching. So which is very close to your 13. So from the graph we can say that 13 point something, that means very close to 14. So we'll not take 14. So here we'll take rough answer also. You can find it that when you will substitute here 50, what answer you will going to get. You just check in the rough, but don't show here. So here you can see that it is very close to your 13 point something. So when f is 50 degree, from the graph we are getting some what in without point. Okay, we'll take here 13 degree. Okay, Celsius. Next, when C is 3, so when C is 3, this is your C, take here. When C is 3, we'll join it here. So how much we are getting? This. So from here, see here, this is your answer. From here, very close to your 14 point something. Yeah, we are getting. You can write 14 also, no problem. This is the answer when your when y equals to 50 degree, you are getting 13 degree or 14 degree. You can write 14 also. According to graph, we are getting 14, so you can take it 14, no problem in that case. Okay. Next, here we'll take a perpendicular line. Remember here, perpendicular line we're going to draw. So join it here. So what you can see here, this is your very close to 38. You can see here. So from the graph we are getting 38. When this 3 degree, we are getting 38. You can check your answer by substituting here. Let's see we are getting 38 or not. When C is what? 38. Just check it here. Okay. You substitute here. When C, that means C is 3 degree. So we'll take here 3. So 5 by 9. F we don't know. 32. Okay. So this is your 27. 27 plus, here we are getting 5, and the F minus 32 would be there. Next, this 5 will multiply with this, that is 32 into 5, we'll get here 10, 1 in your hand, 15, 16. So this will go this side, it will become your positive, then is 5F minus 1 is 60, and this will go this side, 27 will be add here, 7, 8, 1, that means 187 we are getting. That means F equals to what? 187 by 5. You divide it, you can see here very close to 37. You can see here it will not cancel, but we can see here 3, and we are getting here 5. So here 5 3 is 15, 3 7, 5 7 is 35, and the 2 and the point 0, see 0 and the 5, that means 20, that means 35.5, which is close to, sorry, not 35, 37, my mistake, 37.5, which is very close to 38. So from the graph we are getting 38. That is the perfect answer for us. Okay, next problem, we'll enter into second problem. It's a very much important problem. Next we'll go for second one. So here we have second problem. You can see, draw the graph of each of the following linear equation in two variable, x plus y equals to 4x minus y equals to 2, x equals to 3x, and 3 equals to 2x plus y. One by one we're going to see. So all solution already I have done here, just one by one we're going to see. So here the first 4 problem solution already we have got. You can see here what we have done. I have written here y in term of x, whichever you can take x in term of y also. I have taken here y in term of x. So take any 2 solution. Why? Because to draw a line, 2 solution is enough. That means 2 point is enough. So here we have 2 point, first one, second one also. You can see minus 1 part we have taken this side, we are getting, see you are taking y this time, but whenever you represent like this, always take x first and then y. Remember this one. Next, third and fourth, here we have 3x. So you may ask that, so you have not taken minus symbol, minus sign problem. You can take, no problem. It is your wish. Any 2 solution you take. There is no hard and fast rule that you need to take positive only. You can take negative also. Okay, so no problem here. So we'll take positive only. It will be easy for us. So here, and remember, whenever you take the value, that should be integer. It will be easy for us to solve. If you get fraction, it will be difficult for you to draw the graph for fraction point. Okay, so we'll not look at the fraction. Now we'll go for integer. So here one by one we'll see. First one, so here when x equals to 0, y is 4. So when x is 0, y is 4. This is your point. When x is 0, y is 4. This is first point. Next point, when x is 1, y is 3. When x is 1, y is 3. This is your point. So here we have 2 points. Adjust here and draw the line. This is your solution. So write this one like this: x plus y equals to 4. And here you mention this is your 1, 3. This is the first solution. Represent like this. Write the line equation. Okay. Next one. Second one. So 2, 0, 4, 2. 2. First you go 2 and 0. That means this is your point. 2, 0, 4, 2. This is your 4 and this is your 2. So we'll mention here 2, 0 and this is your 4, 2. So we have 2 points. Adjust the point here and draw the straight line. So you can cross the boundary also. It's not hard and fast rule that you need to stop here, because this is line. It will never end, remember. And then write the equation: x minus y equals to 2. This is the correct presentation of this equation. Okay. Next, and remember here you can see that scale I have taken here 1 centimeter 1 unit. Okay. So next problem, third one. So third one points are 0, 0, 1, 3. So we'll go 0, 0, 1, 3. First is 0, 0. Another is 1, 3. So here we have. So we'll mention here 0, 0. And this is your 1, 3. And take the point. Adjust here. Draw the line. And whatever equation name is there, you write. Mention wherever the space is there. Y equals to 3x. Y equals to 3x. Okay. Next, you can see here fourth one, scale I have taken here. Next, fourth one you can see here. So 0, 3, 1, 1. So 0, 0, 0, 3. This is your x is 0, y is 3. So 0, 3. And then 1, 1. That means x is 1, y is 1. So here you have 1, 1. So adjust the point, draw the line. So write the name of the line, that is wherever the space is there, take it like this: 3 equals to 2x plus y. This is the presentation. Okay, for fourth one. Next, third problem. Draw a triangle whose sides are represented by x equals to 0, y equals to 0, and x plus y equals to 3. So if we look at this one, x equals to 0 means what? X equals to 0. So if you see the solution for this, you can see the solution. Whenever x will be 0, it will remain same, but y vary. That means if I'll take this one, x equals to 0, see here the solution, x 0. If we'll take y3, 0. If we'll take y4, x 0. So that means whenever you take x value anything, your x will be 0. Whenever you take y value anything, you will get x 0. That means x equals to 0 is this equation only. That means not the equation, this axis. Y axis is your answer for x equals to 0. This is your x equals to 0 and this is your y equals to 0. That means x axis represent as y equals to 0. So now next third one we have. The third one will get the solution. So here for x equals to 0, 3 minus 0, 3, and for x equals to 1 we get 3 minus 1, 2. So here 0, 3, 1, 2. So 0, 3, 1, 2. 0 3 0 3 1 2. So now adjust it, join here. So now what it is asking you, it's ask you that draw the what, draw a triangle whose side represent. That means you need to draw a triangle. So here this is your one part, this is your another part. So boundaries, you can see that this is one boundary, this is your boundary. That means this is the shaded region is your required answer. This is your required triangle. Okay, shaded region is the required answer. You mention here shaded portion is the required triangle. Or what you can do, you give a name, that is A, this point as B, and this point already is as a O, or you can say that. So you can say that triangle AOB. AOB is a required triangle. You can mention like this, triangle. Okay, see here, this part will do in a copy part, means notebook, and this the graph part we need to do in a graph copy. Okay. Next, last problem. Here we have last problem. You can see here, draw the graph of the equation 2x plus 3y equals to 11, and from there we'll find the value of y when x equals to minus 5. So first we'll draw the graph. So first we'll take the solution. So here we have solutions. So take this one. So take a integral values. So I have taken here x equals to 1, getting 3, and when I take x equals to minus 2, I'm getting 5. We can take any other solution also. If it is integer, it will be good for you. So take it. Now after that, what we need to do, we need to find the value of y when x equals to minus 5. But before that, we need to draw the graph for this equation. Okay, so first 1 3 1 3, next minus 2 5, this time minus is here. See here, minus 2 and positive 5. So here you have, so you can write here 1 3, mention the point 1 3 and minus 2 5. Now adjust the point and draw the line. So there should not be a mistake like this. Remember, here please adjust it, and this equation is your 2x plus 3y equals to 11. Okay, like this. Now one more part left, that is when x equals to minus 5. So go minus 5. Here we have minus 5. Now what we'll do, we'll join it here. So this is your x, and join this part. X equals to what, minus 5. When x equals to minus 5, see what is your y, check it. So join this part. If you join, you can see that what, from the graph we can see that y is 7. When x equals to minus 5, from the graph we are getting y equals to 7. So your answer from the graph, your answer is 7. Mention like that. Okay, I hope it is clear to all of you. Thank you.